Hey folks, welcome to a new vlog. This one's going to be all about Portuguese people and their homes.
Uno, dos, tres.
Casa es muy bonita.
Muito bonita. E vocês depois querem fazer...
We are currently in a town called Guimaraes, and it is about 40 k's just outside of Porto.
Some beautiful buildings surrounding the Airbnb that we're currently staying in, which actually date back to the medieval times. I'm shooting on my Nikon L35. The weather is a bit patchy, so it's nice to have a compact camera that you can tuck away and then whip out when hopefully there's some dry spells. In here at the moment is some Ilford Hp5, so I'm black and white today.
I am shooting on a couple of the moment lenses at the moment, doing the 18 and the 58mm lenses.
Not giving ourselves too many restrictions, but hoping to capture a variety of things that stick out to us in this new setting.
Let's go.
Let's do it. This set of apartments is just lovely. There's so much symmetry happening. I'm just shooting simply right down the middle of where these two apartments split, and I'd like to try and get both of these gates with the numbers in.
Just trying to find the one with the umbrella. Trying to get the umbrella in, which is proving to be quite difficult because the stairs are so high. Framing it fairly straight, lowering the brightness just a little bit.
I personally wouldn't want to live this close to the road, but I do find there's something really nice about how welcoming some of the designs of the houses feel.
So I've just found this lovely house. There's so many different textures on it, different colours. Because we're quite close to it already, I'm going to just change out the 58 for the 18. And we're currently filming a vlog. Bit of B-roll from old mate over there.
Obrigado. Let's go.
The episode where Jake gets up on everything. The composition here is quite strange because there is so much going on, but there's a lot of lines, which is, as you know, a little weak spot for me. So we just stumbled across this beautiful blue house. It was tiny, tiny. And this elderly couple were inside, assuming making lunch, smelt unreal. And we just so happened to get a couple photos of them standing outside of their home, and which just created some beautiful depth because of the colors and just how small the house was. I was just shooting normal 58mm, and then I also wanted to get a little bit tighter on him when he started to walk out a little bit. So what I did was I moved my 58mm from the normal lens to the portrait lens, which enabled me to get a lot tighter and to get it a lot shallower as well.
So we are currently in a small fishing village which is opposite the main city of Porto, known as São Pedro. some beautiful streets behind the main strip here, obviously known for the fresh seafood. So Jake and I have just got a scrumptious lunch, and now we're wandering around trying to capture some of the nice details on the homes here. Fortunately, the locals also seem very willing to have their photo taken, and just some really nice warm smiles, which says a lot about the Portuguese people. So I'm going to try and probably close out this roll on these streets.
Uno, dos, tres.
This really was the perfect place to close out this roll of Portra 400 and to close out this vlog. Jake and I have had an amazing time exploring Portugal, its streets, eating the scrumptious food, and it was just amazing here because one of the things that really struck me when I first arrived was how all of the houses and apartments blend into one another, and there's even cafes and bars sitting underneath on the bottom level of apartment buildings, which might be run by the people who are living above them. And it just feels like one big family, as cheesy as that might sound. Thanks again for watching, folks, and tune in for the next vlog. Voila! Just like Mama used to make, eh?